making some chili. This is the recipe I'm giving you is calls for turkey, but this is like a lean organic ground beef and green onions. The spices are smoked paprika and cumin, and then 3 Roma tomatoes, some tomato juice, some garlic, and it calls for red beans and black beans. It calls for sweet potato, but we don't like it inside it, so I bake some and we put it over the top of it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. This calls for bell peppers. We don't like bell peppers, so I don't put those in. And then the beans, I rinse them first. And sweet potato, I bake and we put it on top because my son doesn't like it in it, so he has it plain. Or maybe on top of a white potato. And over here, there's a doggy, hoping I'll drop something. Over here is the chili. It's still kind of juicy, but I want to cook it for a while, so cook some of the juice out. That's what's for dinner. It's finished. Put some cheese and onions on it, and you're good to go.